On the 22nd day of June, my lord, 2023.
Yes.
Can I proceed, my lord?
Yes.
Thank you. The motion is dated the 8th day of February, 2023, and filed on the same day. And filed on 10th day of February, 2023, my lord. The motion is brought pursuant to Section 6, Sub 6 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Order 26, Rule 8, Paragraph C, and 56 of the Federal High Court Civil Procedure Rule 2019.
Can you move on in terms?
All right. We kindly seek the leave of the court to move the motion in term. And the motion is dated the 8th day of February, 2023, and filed on the 10th day of February, 2023. We urge this honorable court to grant our application in the interest of justice. May it please, my lord. Thank you for the right of
You need to tell me, do you have any affidavit? What?
Yes.
If I said move in terms, does not mean that you say one.
As court, please. The motion is supported with 20 paragraph affidavit deposed to by one Mohammed Sanda, a citizen of Gaidan town. And we rely on all the paragraph contained in this affidavit, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Hello?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. The connection is unstable.
All right.
The respondents.
Yes, my lord.
They file anything. They are not here, so you're supposed to adopt their processes on their behalf.
Yes, my lord. They are filed. We have received their own counter affidavits. And in reply,
not yet. Dated when their own response.
Sorry, my lord. Sorry. Counter affidavit is with me here. Yes, it's dated the 2nd day of March, my lord, 2023. 2nd March, 2023, my lord.
Yes.
In response of the counter affidavit, also file our other affidavit. Contain 4 paragraphs, my lord.
Is this your first time of moving a motion? Counsel?
Yes, my lord.
Is this your first time of moving a motion?
Yes, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
Okay.
This honor ruling, this honorable court having listened to the
Thank you, my lord.
council adopt his application, will deliver a ruling thereof. A date will be communicated to council by the court registry.
As court, please.
Call the next case.
Thank you, my lord, for the right of
Charge number FSC/DM/CR/3 2023 between the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Mohammed Mustafa.
Yes. Yes. Representation. Representation.
With profound respect, my lord, and humility, D.I. Ndahi with me, M.B. Ngohi, and Y.A. Atata. Our humble representation is for the defendant. May it please the court. Thank you.
With you are
M.B. and Y.A. Atata. Thank you, my lord.
yes. Is the prosecuting counsel? Excuse me. Who is prosecuting counsel in this case?
Good morning, my lord. Good morning, my lord.
Morning.
My lord, I just realized that this case that was just called, that is coming up
Yes.
now, because based on the course list that was communicated to me, my lord, I'm not having all these particular cases, my lord, because all I learned that all the cases of Mr. Bishaibu has been taken to another date, my lord. So I'm very surprised when this
Registry of courts, can
case
you?
was called.
Yes, my
Registry
lord.
of courts, can you elaborate? Yes.
Yes, my lord. This is not Bishaibu's case. It's Mr. Ndahi's case, my lord.
All the cases this case, Mohammed Mustafa, was it not slated for 11th July?
It is, my lord. It is for 11th, my lord. And it's not Bishabu's case, my lord.
I'm not concerned about Bishabu's case. What my concern is whether this case has been slated today, because what I understand, the prosecuting counsel is complaining that this case was not on the court list before.
Yes, it's on the court list, my lord.
This case is supposed to... Yes.
Yesterday, I received a call from the court registry that all these cases are not going to hold, my lord. And as far as the record that is before me, my lord, and I will also refer to the record before this honorable court, my lord, on the 26th day of January 2023, it is Bishaibu that announced appearance, and his appearance was not holding brief to any other counsel. So also, my lord, almost all the record of this case, my lord, I can say that it is Bishaibu that announced appearance without even stating that.
This case, Mohammed Mustafa,
yes,
with charge number FSCD MCR 3 2023. Can you confirm? Because we may have two different cases bearing the same name, but you look at the charge to confirm.
Yes, my lord, I'm trying to sort it out.
Mr. Ndahi?
Yes, my lord.
Counsel, I'm talking to counsel, defense counsel.
Lord.
Yes, my lord.
Is this not your case?
No,
It's my case, my lord.
Sorry?
It is our case.
So the prosecuting counsel, I think the confusion is from your own end.
Yes.
Because from the records of court, Mr. Ndahi or counsel from his chambers have been,
yes,
yes, I can see from my record. So this is not a case.
Yes, my lord, the chart of the Mohammed Mustafa with me is CR FSC DMCR 2022, my lord.
And you have the wrong file, because the list is always sent, the course list is sent days earlier, a week earlier. So the problem is not from the court or the court registry.
Anyway, my lord, in the circumstances, my lord, since the fault is from my own angle, my lord, notwithstanding, my lord, as far as I'm concerned, the course list that was sent to me, my lord, is not that of Mohammed Mustafa. Anyway, my lord, with all the respect, my lord, my name is Usman Bamala. My humble appearance is for the complainant, my lord.
I'm trying to look at the course list that was sent to me and to all counsel for Tuesday.
Ask her, please. Ask her, please.
The cases for today, we have Mohammed Mustafa, FSCD CR 58, 2022. That Mr. Ngohi, what we have defense counsel is Mr. Ngohi. That means Mr. Ndahi's chambers. So I'm surprised when you say, how come your cost list is different? Your cases are different from, anyway, go ahead.
My lord, can you hear me, my lord?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
My lord, even the Mohammed Mustafa that is before me, which is represented by Ambul Chambers, that's the chambers of Mr. Ndahi. The charge number before me of Mohammed Mustafa is FHCGM CR/3/358/2023.
Please, registry of court. Which
My lord, I don't want to waste the time of this.
Which case did you call? Let's because we have so many Mohammed Mustafas.
Yes, my lord. Is a topographical error, my lord, from our side. Is 3, not 58, my lord. But it's still Mohammed Mustafa. Yes, my lord.
Okay. Counsel, do you have the CR3 with you? Are you ready for Mohammed Mustafa, FSCD and CR3?
My lord, I am ready, my lord. It's just that, my lord, in the last adjournment date, I have taken my my PW1, and the subsequent witness, my lord, are not available because of the fact that, my lord, I wasn't prepared for the case because I was thinking of it a different case, my lord. I could have been ready, which is I don't like telling the court that I am not ready for a case, my lord.
Okay, it seems that there's a mix-up from both ends. Mr. Ndahi,
My lord.
yes, do you have anything to add?
I see his challenges. The defendant is on bail. Take another use of justice and put them present.
Sorry, I can barely hear you. There's so much echo. Maybe you have two devices.
All right, my lord, I see the interest of justice.
Okay.
There is a little talent from the side of the prosecution who will concede to enable him to prepare for the prosecution on the next agenda.
Okay.
My lord, and most of these all the rest of witnesses, my lord, are from the Department of the State Security. Hadn't been that they are from the Department of the National Drug and Law Enforcement, I could have asked for just a standing down of just 5 minutes and prepare my witness and we proceed, my lord. But however, I don't want to jeopardize the interest of justice, my lord. Thank you, my lord. I shall be asking for another day.
Yes, suggest a date.
My lord, any other date is convenient to me.
Register of court, give us a date.
11th October, my lord. October 11th.
Mr. Ndahi?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
On agreement.
Court registry, did you say 11th October?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, thank you. This matter is hereby adjourned. to the 11th day of October 2023. Meanwhile, the defendant is to continue to enjoy the bail granted him till the next adjourned date. And I apologize on behalf of the court for the typographical error which led to the confusion this morning.
Please.
Okay, thank you. Call the next case.
Okay, my lord. Charge number FSC/DM/CR/58 2022 between the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Mohammed Umar Ali, aka Bondos.
Yes.
With
Ambro
the
Chambers,
greatest
can you
respect and
mute
much honor,
your
my lord.
microphone? Just a minute. Ambro Chambers, can you mute your microphone because it's interrupting with proceedings? Yes, somebody was, yes?
With the greatest respect and much honor, my lord, my name is Usman Bamala. My humble appearance is for the complainant.
Defense counsel?
Yes, my lord. May it please my lord. My name is M.M. Gumurimi. My respectful appearance for the accused person, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the matter is fixed today for continuation of hearing, sorry, for commencement of hearing of this case.
Yes.
My lord, and I am ready with a single witness, my lord, this morning.
Yes.
My lord, we are equally ready, my lord.
Thank you very much. My lord, the witness who is the PW one, which is Mr. Habugana, his testimony will be in line with as the witnessing officer from the arrest up to some part of the investigation in this case, my lord. He is together with me, my lord.
Yes, go ahead.
My lord,
My lord,
I apply that he should be found.
The defense counsel?
Yes, my lord. We are together with the accused person in our office, my lord, together.
Okay. Because of the reflection, because of the light behind you, I can't see your face. Maybe yes, you need to change position or bring down the curtain.
Okay, my lord.
I think sorry?
Thank you.
Okay. Fortune Technologies, please, can you mute all those people interrupting proceedings? Just 1 minute. The prosecuting counsel, you said, okay, just 1 minute. I need to. Okay, yes, go ahead.
My lord, my lord, I apply that the witness should be affirmed, my lord.
Registry of court. Registry of court.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Please repeat after me. Whatever I say, you repeat after me. But first, let me affirm myself. I, Musa Ndahi, duly affirm to interpret the court proceedings from English to Hausa and vice versa to the best of my ability. So help me God. I, please mention your name. I, your name, please.
The witness, we can't hear him. Your name.
Your name, please.
I Habu Aliugana.
Can you affirm yourself?
Okay, affirm. Okay, affirm. I Habu Aliugana.
Go ahead and affirm yourself.
It's ready to give. I Habu Aliugana is ready to give all the evidence and notice, and I'm ready to tell all the truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Yes, my Lord. PW1 has affirmed himself. He is male, adult, and a Muslim.
Thank you.
Once again, tell this honorable court your name. What do you do for a living?
My name is Habu Aliugana. I work with NDLEA.
For how long have you been working with this agency?
Working with the agency for 25 years.
Having been working.
How many years? For how many
having
years?
been working with. For how many years?
For 25 years.
My Lord, he said 25 years, my Lord.
Yes, I heard you. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Having been working with this agency for 25 years, what rank did you attain so far? As a deputy superintendent of narcotics, I believe you are professional in your doing. Take a good look at the camera with caption MM Ngumurumi. Mr. Ngumurumi, can you set your camera on the defendant, please, so that I can ask my witness whether he can identify him? Thank you. Have a good look at the camera with the caption MM Ngumurumi. You can see the defendant sitting down with a JC. Tell this honorable court whether you know him.
I know him on
Now that you know him, tell this honorable court.
Just counsel. He needs to speak up because we can't hear him. He needs to speak up.
Please raise up your voice so that the court will be able to hear you.
To the, or he should come closer to the gadget because.
Yes, my lord. Most obliged, my lord.
Thank you.
Now that you know him, tell this honorable court, what do you know about the defendant in respect of this case? Bearing in mind the court is recording you, please, whatever you said, you allow the court to record you before you make further step or before you make additional statement. Make sure, please, you raise your voice so that the court will be able to record you.
On the 6th day of October at about 6:00 hours, I was among the officers that went to the house and premises of Umar.
Just a minute. You said 6th October?
6th October at about
which year? 6th
hours.
October.
2022.
Yes.
This October 2022 at about 6:00 hours. I was among the NDL operatives that went to Umar Adamu Ibrahim, led by, I was among the NDL officers led by Umar Adamu Ibrahim, CSN, that went to the house and premises of Mohammed Umar Ali, alias Bando.
Continue.
Well, we entered. We were in his house. We entered his house. We searched. Nothing incriminating was found.
Yes.
So some preparatories. We only bought some preparatories, drug preparatories, and other things. From there, we picked him and took him to our office. At our office, we took him straight to exhibit room, and we show him 85 blocks of cannabis sativa, which he acknowledged, accepted ownership.
You showed him
85 blocks of cannabis.
Yes.
And he acknowledged ownership of the exhibit.
Yes.
It was tested in our presence. And proved positive for cannabis sativa. It weighs 85 kilograms. Total, I can't remember the 294 kilograms. From there, I think that is all I can.
I am interested in, you said when you arrested the defendant, that's Mr. Muhammad Umar Ali aka Bondos, you said that you found nothing incriminating, but you took him to the office and showed him 85 blocks of cannabis sativa, in which you said he acknowledged. So I want you to, I'm interested, or the court will be interested to know what is the nexus between the defendant and the 85 blocks, since you arrested him without the 85 blocks.
My lord, we are objecting to this question, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, because the question is a leading question, my lord. It's a witness of truth. Allow him to flow and tell what you know, my lord. You could have prepared him before the coming to this. This is a humble application, my lord. It's a leading question, my lord. Clear leading question, my lord, which is not allowed in the examination in chief, my lord.
Yes.
That's
My
all,
lord.
My lord.
My lord, this is not exact. This is not a leading question, my lord. My lord,
Yeah.
a leading question, as it is basically known to all of us, it is a question suggesting an answer. My question is an open question, asking the witness that, as a minister in the Temple of Justice, I am interested to know that since he arrested the defendant without an incriminating exhibit. So now, and you bring him to the office, show him an 85 block. So I am interested to know why did he do that? It's an open question. My lord, open question cannot be a leading question, my lord. And my lord, even a leading question is allowed in.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, my lord.
This honorable court haven't listened to the arguments of counsel on the objection raised by the defense counsel. The objection is overruled. As the question asks, to my understanding, is not a leading question. The witness should answer the question asked.
Ask up, please. Did you get my question? Did you get my question? I want you to tell this honorable court, you cannot just go and arrest somebody like that from the office, from his house, and bring him to the, and show him some exhibit, just like that. So therefore, tell this honorable court, what is the nexus between the defendant and the 85 blocks of the cannabis sativa?
Okay. All this while he was a wanted criminal before, he was wanted. So that was what led to that 85 blocks.
You said he was declared wanted.
Yes.
Is it as a criminal? Is it he was declared wanted for that 85 blocks, or he was just wanted on the list?
Declared wanted for drugs.
For drugs. That's what I'm talking about. Is it for the 85 blocks that you show it to him, or what?
It's for 85 blocks.
Tell this honorable court how the 85 blocks was recovered.
It was recovered in his warehouse.
Whose warehouse?
His own warehouse.
Whose warehouse? Yeah.
Bandos,
is it a defendant standing trial before this honorable court?
Defendant.
My lord, that's all for the examination.
Yes.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. Utines, you are affirmed to this court when you arrested the defendant, you have found nothing incriminating in his possession, right?
Yes, my lord.
Have you get me?
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, we're waiting for your answer.
The court is waiting for your answer.
You didn't hear the question. Defense counsel, can you ask him the question again?
Okay, you affirmed to this court during your examination in chief. When you arrested the defendant, you have found nothing incriminating in his possession.
Yes, my lord.
Your answer?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
And the exhibits which you acclaim the ownership of the defendant, not your organization, recover the exhibit, right?
Yes, it is our organization.
You say?
It is our organization that found it.
Okay, it's an organization that recover the exhibits.
Yeah, my lord.
Yeah.
Yes.
If any organization, representative of any organization came after you and said to the court their organization recover the exhibit, is lying to the court.
NDLA.
Yes, beside the NDLA, if any organization came before this court after you and said they are the one recover all the exhibits, is lying to the court, yes or no?
Police.
Did you get the question very well?
I didn't get the question very well. Come again, please.
Since you say your organization recover the exhibit, if any organization came after you before this court and said they are the one recover the exhibit, is lying to the court, yes or no?
No.
Defense counsel, are you still there?
Yes, my lord. When the exhibit was recovered, you are not there.
I was not there.
Mr. Ngurumuri, are you still there?
Yes, my lord, yeah. Mr. Utines, the exhibit was recovered after 9 months before the arrest of the defendant, right?
Yes, my lord.
Your response?
You say yes, my lord.
Okay.
Within that period, from February up to September, you are being informed that the exhibit is belong to the defendant.
Yes.
You are equally being informed. When the exhibit was recovered, the defendant was not there.
Yes, my lord.
Defense counsel.
Yes, my lord. Mr. Uchidel, do you know what David in your office?
Come again?
Do you know what David in your office?
What?
David.
Do
you know what David? What's the
I
patrol?
didn't get you. I didn't get you.
Do you know
what David in your
I
office?
know.
Okay. When you arrested the accused person, when you brought him to your office, he started beating the accused person in your presence.
You started what?
Beating the accused person in your presence.
No, I'm not seeing that.
You say?
I'm not seeing that. I have not seen that. I have not seen him beating him.
Oh, you are not seen. My lord, that's all for this witness, my lords. We are very grateful.
My lord, I have no question for the examination, my lord. My lord, I apply for the witness to be discharged as a witness in this case, my lord.
application granted? Thank you, officer. Yes.
My lord,
Yes.
that's what I have to do for you, my lord. I would be asking for a date which shall be a traditional court sitting, my lord. To present.
Can you repeat your submission? I didn't hear the beginning.
My lord, I said that's all for the witness. That's all for my lord. Can you hear me, my lord? Hello, hello, my lord. Can you hear me?
My lord, yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, my lord. I said that's all I have for today, my lord. Yes. I shall be asking for a date which shall be a traditional court sitting, my lord.
Yes.
Which is legal, my lord, so that I can present the rest of my witnesses, my lord.
Yeah. Registry of court.
Hello, we're not objecting to the adjournment, sir.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. 11th October, my lord, after vacation. 11th October.
My lord, sorry, my lord, I would like to take a free day, my lord. Because that 11th of October, there is another cases, my lord. I would like to present a number of witnesses, my lord. Maybe a day that there is no choke up with too much cases.
And another date.
Okay, 12th October, my lord. October 12th.
How many cases do we have on the 12th?
None, my lord.
Okay.
Thank you very much, my lord.
Ms. Angur.
Yes, my lord.
Defense counsel. Okay.
It's convenient, it's convenient, my lord.
Hmm. This honorable court, having listened to the application of prosecuting counsel, hereby adjourns the matter on the concurrence of counsel to the 12th day of October 2023. The defendant is to continue to enjoy the bail granted him till the next adjourned date.
Thank you, my lord. We are most honored.
Ask up, please.
Let's call the next case.
That is all for the day, my lord.
How many do we have tomorrow?
My lord, we want to liaise with the prosecution counsel to find out which cases may not likely go on, so that we'll let you know. Yes, my lord.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, my
thank you, counsel.
Thank you very much, my lord.
Thank you, Federal High Court Damaturu staff.
Thank you, my lord.
Registrar of Court.
Thank you.
Okay.